So to conclude the series on Taleigao Battoo variety of chilies, I think that time has come for detailed research on the variation which has been found in this lot. That is, if in a sample of 2 to 300 chilies, if I find 4 different sub varieties, then in Taleigao village itself, wherever this chili is grown, the Battoo variety is grown, I think 10, at least 8 to 10 sub varieties are possible, and these 8 to 10 sub varieties have to be separately studied, and we have to isolate the DNA from these sub varieties, and we have to sequence the DNA, and we have to compare and contrast and match the DNA to see how the variation is occurring and which genes are actually responsible for this variation in size, shape, color, texture, and everything. And that is how the science advances, and not much research is being promoted or encouraged by the government of Goa. A lot of publicity, lot of expenditure is taking place on unproductive things which do not generate new knowledge. What I am doing is generation of new knowledge, and these are the some of the first videos and only videos in the world on Taleigao Battoo variety, or such small cute chili variety in the world, and that's why I am very proud of this Taleigao variety and the farmers who are cultivating it without any type of government support or societal support. We are the only patrons who really identify these Taleigao Battoo. We know them as Battoo, and we bring them home, and we then use them, and that's how Goans only patronize now these Goan produces, Goan market, and this agricultural produce, and nobody else from outside Goa except those writers and the food columnists and anthropologists will value what I have been doing and what I am supposed to do as a scientist and a conservationist. It is our job to preserve and conserve and promote and popularize varieties like these green chilies, Taleigao Battoo, because you know that once this germplasm is lost, the cultural heritage, the genetic heritage is, and diversity will also be lost forever.